Hi, welcome to Home Based Kids Study. Our focus on listen, speak, read and write. Please subscribe us and click on bell icon for get every new video. Today we will learn vegetable name. Let's start. Tomato. This is a tomato. Potato. This is a potato. Onion. This is a onion. Carrot. This is a carrot. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Turnip. This is a turnip. Red chili. This is a red chili. Green chili. This is a green chili. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Garlic. This is a garlic. Corn. This is a corn. Ginger. This is a ginger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.